kites waving goodbye. She come out and break the night, leaving no traces around.
I'm in between the curtain and the green bridge. I'm just going to go into the wind all morning, not fight it. Let's see if we can't catch one. We got Performer. We got pink with the purple scales. The other one instead of orange today, we're going to try a little Wonder Bread. A little sandwich. Wonder Bread, I'm just going with the moon jelly. Get it? Jelly on the sandwich on the Wonder Bread. Thought it was a fish. It was not. Hunk of wood. What are we, Shasta? Come on. There's one. That was like 1.9 miles an hour into the wind though, so. Wonder Bread. What, 10 minutes? 5 minutes? Not long. Hey, look at these nets. Swap them out for the other handle. Look how light. Much better. It's a good fish. Take him. This one's like that all day. Hey, better than the other day. 1.6 for the first fish. Much better. 15 to the fork. I'm gonna bring Pinky up a little bit. I think it's too deep. There's one on the paint. There's one on the paint. Money maker right there. We got drag wides here. He's gone. Too much drag. No. He was just jumping. As soon as I moved it up to 12 feet. Boom. He's a little hooked in the mouth. I think he's hooked both. Oh, look at that nice white net. Come here. Come to Papa. Oh, look at that. Not very big. He's about 13. Oh, Wonder Bread. 1-to-1. Put this one back out at 70. Ooh, a lot of marks through here. Lots. Right off the point. I mean, thick. Looks like they want it a little faster. I mean, I'm keeping it like 2 miles an hour because of the wind, and that's where I'm catching them. There's one, pink. Ah, drive by. Keep down. Yeah. He gone. That was quick. You hit that like a ton of fucking bricks. Get him back out there. Shit, there's one. Wonder Bread. Bigger fish. The other ones are just too heavy. These ones. Money. Absolute money. What we got? We got 14 on the nose. To the fork of the tail. 2 inches shorter than the other one, and he almost weighs the same. 1.53. Oh shit, another one. Man. Barely got that one in the box. Just the pink with the purple, and he's gone. No, he's still there. He's still there. He was just tricking me. He's angry. He's angry. Oh look. My mom used to go out with a motor. Boom. He's a heavy one. Okay, this one's heavy. 185. I thought he was bigger than that. There's one. Wonder Bread again. Nice fish. There's a lot of drag. That's a fish right here. There he comes. There he comes. This is at 2 miles an hour. Whoa, big boy. This ain't any fish worth any weight. Look at the number 4 in the box. 805. It's a good fish right here. The biggest one today. Hopefully he'll go 2 pounds. Whoa, baby. Oh, shit. There's another one. Double. Have to let him tear up the net. Boom, pink, 13 feet. Both these fish were 13 feet, 2 miles an hour. Both good fish. People ask me why I have 2 nets on the boat. You know. Number 5, I'm going home. If it's in the box. 807. He is taking drag. As soon as he got close, he wasn't going to be happy. About done? Here, fatty. Oh my God. Give it up. Man. That is a nice looking fish right there. Look at that. Look at that. Look. Look. Is he the biggest one? 1.78. No, he's not the biggest one. Exact same as the other one, 177. Gives us a 5 fish total of 8.53 pounds. Pink on gold. This little pink with the purple scales. Silver, former light. Moon jelly, eyeball, silver. I just put this on just today, just put it on. Yeah, absolute best one so far. And that's it. That's 5 right there. Started at 6:20. It's 8:10. 1 hour, 50 minutes. Signing off, folks. Bye-bye.